Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Today, what? Yeah. That sort of questions I will definitely answer. No need to worry about it. But let me tell you first, the thing is exactly you all are my students, and my students actually online students obviously. This is the first time that I have seen and we met together. It's a wonderful things. That kind of things should be happened regularly, right? But you know that I am very busy, that I travel so many cities, and you know that I have so many students, millions of students that I have to meet them. So please don't mind. Next month or after 2-3 months, I'll be definitely here once again, okay? And individually, I'm going to organize a program there. Individually, I'll just talk to you, each and everybody, okay? But right now, I must tell you that that sort of questions I will definitely give you, no problem at all. But those questions you are asking, those questions you are asking, these are actually already I have discussed on the video sections. If you have a particular questions, you can ask on the Ask an Expert. There is an option now. So ask an expert, you can ask there, no problem at all. But here right now, I will just give you one thing that I have told you already many times on my many videos, that you have to maintain the things exactly what, that you cannot be less confident and cannot be overconfident. If you are overconfident, then job gone, and if you are less confident, even the job gone. So you have to be particularly focused on your subjects. The subject is very much important. Yes, subject is very much important. And the psychometric test. Let me discuss one psychometric test. Suppose a question is there. That question could be asked in the IT segment students. I think there are a lot of IT segment students. So IT segment students, there are actually so many questions could be asked. But one question. Suppose you walk in a dark and stormy night. What can be happen? Just imagine and tell me right now. What can be happen? Just imagine and tell me right now. Basically, what exactly they want to know, that you have to know exactly. Otherwise, it is not possible. Question, literally, there is a different meaning. But there is an inner meaning. That inner meaning is what? What they want to ask. Indian Army में एक बहुत अच्छा बात कहा जाता है. क्या है? दुश्मन की नजर से सोचो तो दुश्मन तुम्हारा सामने होगा. तो यहां पे दुश्मन, they are not your enemy at all. But if you understand what they want to know exactly, then you can answer. You can give that sort of things what they want exactly, and within a short span of time. So within a short span of time, if you want to answer, you have to understand the question properly, not only literally, but their inner meaning. Basically, if you are walking down in a dark and stormy night, just imagine. If you are walking in a dark and stormy night, look, since the first day of the world, there is the day and night. So night is always dark. Night is always dark. So what happens exactly? Night is always dark. So it is quite common. And the first day of the world, from that time, there is what? There is raining and storm. So rain and storm, it is quite common. So don't have to be very scared of it. So we cannot be very scared of it. Just if it is dark and stormy night, and if I am walking down from my office, I am going back to my office, so what to do exactly? Nothing. Just we have to just wait for a while until unless rain stops. Then we should go back to our house. That's a minimum answer. So in this way, you have to answer the questions. That's nothing to do. I will just wait until unless the rain stops. Then I will go back to my house. That's all. So what happens exactly? Interviewer will understand. Yes, you have a brain strength, you have a backbone. So you are self-dependent. You are not dependent on others. You asked me a question when I came. You asked me a question. What is that? Somebody give him the mic. Mic man, please give him the mic. Yeah.
What turns you on?
I see. Okay. Look, what turns you on? What turns you on? Exactly, this question is a very quite common question. But literally, meaning is what? What is the meaning? You may not understand what they want to know exactly. They want to know actually what boosts you much, what gives you relax. That means suppose you have gone to your office 6 o'clock morning in the morning 10 o'clock, and you are working up to 6 o'clock. Till 6 o'clock you are working over there. After that there is an OT. That means overtime, right? Up to 10 o'clock. So you have a 15-minute span. What will you do? So what gives you relax? It is very much important to the interviewer to know exactly. And if you say that I like playing cricket, playing football, all these things, if you say, then definitely within that 15-minute span you cannot play football or you cannot play cricket. So if you say listening to music or something like that, this is easily available right now everywhere. In the office also you can get. So you can get your relax and you can do your job. You can carry on your job. So that sort of things actually, that is